Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, and subscribe to my channel, to see more videos like this in the future.
Now you can make better than bottled water right from your tap with AQUA TRU. Enjoy the same great taste with no plastic waste, plus no shopping, lifting, or carrying. With AQUA TRU, you'll save hundreds of dollars each year over the cost of bottled water. AQUA TRU works right out of the box without plumbing or installation. Powered by the gold standard of water purification, multi-stage reverse osmosis, AQUA TRU removes 15 times more contaminants than best-selling pitcher filters, and it's certified by an independent laboratory to make safe, ultra-pure water. Watch as AQUA TRU turns Diet Coke back into pure water. AQUA TRU removes chlorine and lead, plus carcinogens like VOCs, chromium-6, and trihalomethane. AQUA TRU makes the purest, best-tasting water you've ever tasted, guaranteed, or your money back.
Welcome to the AQUA TRU family. We're going to walk you through everything you need to know to set up and use your AQUA TRU for the first time. Before getting started, please make sure to wash and dry your tap water tank and clean water tank. When handling the tanks and filters, always make sure you've washed and cleaned your working surfaces. This helps ensure the purity of your drinking water. And always place your AQUA TRU on a flat and stable surface. Place away from direct sunlight and any heat source. Remove the filter cover by gently lifting the side panel from the bottom. Set it aside. Remove the stickers covering the filter bases. You can see that each filter base is color-coded and labeled for its correct filter. To install, simply insert the yellow pre-carbon filter and turn it clockwise so the red arrows align. You'll notice that filter bases actually pivot outwards, making it even easier to install. Complete this process for the blue RO filter and the green VOC filter. Slide the cover back on. It may take you a couple of tries to get the hang of it, but practice makes perfect. Next, fill your tap water tank with cold or room temperature tap water. It's got a handle to make it easy to carry. Then place the tanks on the base of the machine, one at a time. Make sure your AQUA TRU is plugged in, and then turn the power switch on. AQUA TRU will start filtering immediately. You'll know that it's working when you hear the pump running and you see the display panel cycling through the 4-stage filtration process. Your AQUA TRU will stop filtering when the clean water tank is full or the tap water tank is ready to be emptied. The full blue circle at the top of your display panel is a reminder to empty the wastewater from your tap tank. After the first full tank is filtered, empty out both tanks of water. Refill your tap water tank and place both tanks back on the base. If this is the first time you've run AQUA TRU, you'll need to run 4 full tanks of water through the system prior to drinking the water. This step is important to precondition and flush out the filters and internal system before consuming your pure water. You may notice some bubbles and even cloudiness in the tap water tank when you use it for the first time. This is simply trapped air from the filters escaping. Once you have completed 4 full cycles, give your tanks one more quick rinse with soap and water, and then you're ready to start enjoying your AQUA TRU. Fill up the tap water tank and place both tanks on the base to begin filtering your first tank of delicious AQUA TRU water. Here are some helpful tips. When dispensing from AQUA TRU's convenient push spout, make sure to leave your container under the spout for just a second or two after releasing to allow it to fully empty. If your AQUA TRU does not start, make sure to check that the filter cover and both tanks are properly in place. AQUA TRU won't operate if all its parts are not fully in place. After discarding the wastewater, refill your tap water tank right away. This way, AQUA TRU will automatically resume filtering when you dispense any water from your clean water tank, so you always have a full tank on hand. Discarding the wastewater after each use extends the life of AQUA TRU and the filters. If you don't empty the tap tank each time, you will not only strain the system and filters, but you will also void your warranty. AQUA TRU works by recirculating the water and concentrating contaminants in the tap water tank. That's why you have to discard the wastewater after each use. 5. Wash both tanks once a week to keep your water pure and clean. Thank you for joining our AQUA TRU family. We hope you enjoy the convenience of drinking pure, healthy water right from your countertop. AQUA TRU's patent-pending ultra-reverse osmosis technology guarantees you pure, delicious water with every glass.
Do you know what's in your tap water? Chances are there are cancer-causing chemicals in every sip you take. According to the nonprofit Environmental Working Group, 2/3 of American homes have cancer-causing chemicals in their water, including chromium-6, trihalomethanes, benzene, perchlorate, radium, arsenic, nitrates, or even lead. Exposure to lead in children damages the brain, reduces intelligence, shortens attention span, and disrupts behavior. And in adults, it causes fatigue, nerve pain, miscarriages, high blood pressure, and worse. Best-selling pitcher water purifiers are not certified to remove any of these cancer-causing chemicals, including lead, and neither is your fridge filter. That's why you need AQUA TRU. Its patented ultra-reverse osmosis technology removes even the most difficult to remove toxic chemicals, and it is certified by an independent laboratory to produce safe water. AQUA TRU is guaranteed to make the best tasting water you've ever tasted or your money back, and it requires no plumbing or installation. Just plug it in and start using.